Welcome to the unboxing of 2 rugs from Amazon Warehouse. And I'll take you back to me opening the second one. I already opened the first one and I have them weighted down to uncurl them, keep them flat. But here we go. Okay, I'm opening 2 rugs. Well, I've opened one already that I got from Amazon Warehouse. It is a 4x6 rug. They're regularly, I think, $54. I got 2 of them, tax and all in, a little under $46. And I should show you. This is how they both came wrapped. I've already opened that one. And this is how you know it came from Amazon Warehouse. It has a little sticker. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the other one, lay it out. This is going in my basement because, like most basements, it's a little dark down here. So I want to add a little color, a little light down here. And it's replacing a couple of rugs that I took upstairs and put in my brother's room. Got a piece of tape there. It's another piece of tape. So when I bought these, they were marked used, very good condition. And as you can see, they're still brand new. Never been opened. Because again, this is how the other one came that I already had laid down. It was curled up, as I'm pretty sure this one will be too. So you need to put something heavy on it. Weigh it down for a few days. Need some more tape on here. Again, brand new, because I'm cutting tape off just like you would with a brand new rug. And there's another one here that I need to cut off. I think that's it. Okay. Yep, I'm going to need to weigh this one down too. I'm going to put them side by side. And I'll use this box of post-sequin supplements for my dogs on both of them to weigh these ends down. This rug comes in different sizes. And when I bought this a week ago, this was the only one they had at the Amazon Warehouse for that price, was the 4x6. I think I need to move it over a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Okay. I gotta get some more boxes over here to weigh that stuff down. I need something that's a little lightweight. Move my sister's clothes over a little bit. This one must be locked. Is this not moving? There we go. Okay. This has some weight on it, but not too heavy for me to pick up. Now I need something right here. Okay. Leave these items on them for a few days to help flatten it out. But that's it. Quick, easy peasy. A nice Amazon Warehouse deal. Thanks for watching, and in the description of this video, I will add the Amazon link for this rug. Again, it comes in different sizes. And just keep a check on it. Another way you can find good bargains is just Google Amazon Warehouse and then follow the link and then search for whatever you're looking for. Rugs, dishes, whatever, cameras. And you can find some good deals. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and share it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. Appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.